when we search for happiness, we're looking for this word happiness that's been marketed to us. It feels like ice cream and Disneyland and stuff like that. However, when we just pursue that, we quickly find out we're not actually truly happy. I looked at people who, first I talked to people who said they were incredibly satisfied with their lives. And I just started doing qualitative research and seeing what they did in common. And what he discovered was, rather than seeking this abstract concept happiness, they were engaged in an activity that had just taken over their lives, that they did just for the sake of doing that activity and for no other reason, that constantly provided them with challenges and struggles, so their skills and coping increased, leaving them a much more fully formed human as a process.